Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you with our evening time drive time update, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys, and it's wonderful to be here, and it's really good that we're seeing all the crypto markets going green, guys. And you know, we got interesting articles for you. Looks like Matthew Hayward is just tweeted out, and he's seeing and showing us that we've just crossed a MACD, and that's pretty bullish for Bitcoin. Also, too, we got a breaking story out that looks like if Bitcoin can get past these levels, we could see a huge breakout to the upside. And we got some Dogecoin related news as well. It looks like Dogecoin could be topping out, and we could be seeing a 60% pumpity pump for the Doge coming very shortly. We're going to jump into that. There's some key support levels that we need to get past. If we can do that, then it's looking most likely that we could be seeing a 60% rally to the upside for the Doge. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty fired up about that, guys. And also, too, while you're watching this, don't forget to go and boop that like, subscribe, BYB, and don't forget to comment, guys. Feed the algorithm. And the only way you can do that is you've got to comment, guys. Comment, take this video link, call to action, guys. Take the video link, copy it, and put it on Twitter, guys. I would appreciate the love and the support. Don't forget, give super chats if you can. All that goes to charity, help those less fortunate here in Vietnam, guys. And with that being said, guys, one final thing, don't forget, this is not financial advice, just OG in-house expressing his opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and it's just fun and education, guys. So hopefully you guys are going to entertain, and it's going to be fun. So let's go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in-house. Let's get it, guys. Let's absolutely get it. So right now we can see that the markets are looking pretty good. We can see that BTC is still over 46,808, so that is pretty cool beans, and we're on our way, absolutely on our way to get past $47,000. And we're seeing that, you know, on the 24-hour, the 4-hour, and the 12-hour time frame, we're seeing that there's a huge volume of shorts building up, guys, and that is why we're seeing that biddy is going up right now. So we're seeing that right now 46,791 leverage traders got wrecked, guys. And remember, the leverage traders, they never learn, because it's human nature to be greedy. It's human nature to want to make fast, quick money, guys. And I think that leverage trading is the way to do that. And so you can see right now on the 24-hour time frame, tons of shorts, which is pretty good. On the hourly time frame, shorts. 4-hour time frame, shorts. So we're seeing shorts everywhere, and that is pretty cool beans. And we're seeing, as you can see here, in the last 4 hours, the majority of all the positions are shorts, guys. Absolutely amazing. You can see here on March 28th, there was like $203 million worth of shorts that were accumulating. So if we take a look at that also on the 12-hour basis, you can see that there's a ton of shorts, guys. It's all a lot of shorts, guys. So that is pretty good, because that's going to create a short squeeze. And when you get a short squeeze, they're going to buy back the positions at a higher price. And that is what pushes the biddy higher and higher, guys. So you're going to love it. I love it. So guys, if you're leverage trading out there and you keep getting wrecked, please learn that you can't win, because what happens is most of the leverage positions that you're seeing getting wrecked out there, it's not institutions, it's retail investors, because the large exchanges like Binance and other, what they do is they will send information to large institutions who will bet against you to wreck you out there. And then the market makers, they'll create situations. They'll either push the Bitcoin price down or up on the spot exchange, guys. Because remember, on the OTC market, if their institutions are buying Bitcoin on OTC market, it doesn't affect the price. But when you're buying a Bitcoin on the spot exchange, it does affect the price, guys. So, you know, you can see that, you know, a little bit of manipulation going on in terms of market makers, because they want to take your liquidity out there, guys and gals. So that is basically what's going on. So it is what it is. So I just also want to say a big thank you to all of the new members in the house. These are new channel members, and I just want to say thank you for becoming a channel member. And remember, if you're a new channel member, please send me a DM on Twitter, or you can send an email to the official email and send me your YouTube handle and your membership level when you join, and then we'll send you that WhatsApp link, guys, that private WhatsApp link. So we got Wendy in the house. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Much love. We got Abdullah Ram in the house, channel supporter. We got Tobin in the house. Thank you, Tobin. Big, huge supporter. We got Julio, VIP member. Send me that link so we can get the VIP member link to it. We got Angela. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We got Shane Smith, beautiful supporter, and we got Hulking in the house, VIP member. So guys, to all the members, I just want to say God bless you, and you know, be humble, and thank you for being part of the community. And these are minty fresh subscribers as of today. These are new subscribers. We got Quadra in the house, we got Marco, we got M Key Master, Hack Song, DJ Mad, and Bradley Bateman. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate it. So big shout out to all the subscribers. And if you're a subscriber, please consider becoming a member. So this just in, it looks like just in Inverse Finance has been hacked for $15 million, guys. So that is why it's so important to make sure you're turned on your two-factor authentication, keep your crypto safe. And the best way to keep your crypto safe is on a hardware wallet like Tracer or Ledger, guys. Write down your seed phrase. Never take a picture of it. Never store it electronically. Remember, write it on a seed phrase. Put it somewhere safe and make copies. I put one at your mother's place, put one, in your fridge, and that way you're safe, guys. You're absolutely safe. That's the best way to store your crypto. So Justin, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says the EU's new law on unhosted crypto wallets is an anti-innovation, anti-privacy, and anti-law enforcement regulation. And he's really referring to this whole EU KYC on unhosted wallets when you send more than €1,000. So this is bad news, guys. This is bad news bears for crypto, particularly for people in the European Union. But it's just not good. So I'm glad I'm not in the European Union. I really do appreciate it. So it looks like Matthew Hayward, he's pretty bullish. Looks like the 4-hour, you can see here on the 4-hour MACD has just crossed. And this is very bullish, guys. This has been confirmed. It has just happened. And this is a bullish signal for the biddy, guys. So we can see that hopefully Bitcoin will get itself back above $47,000. And I'm pretty confident that it's going to do that. You can see right now that good news in the house. You can see right now that the weekly candle has just turned green. Booyah! This is really good news. I'm so excited about that. And we can see we got 1 day and 1 hour left. And it looks like if this continues, we could be seeing that we're going to paint a green candle for the week. So right now we're in the center of my green yellow horizontal line, colorblind, and that is between 46,000 and 48,200. So this is really good news, guys. We're seeing a lot of positive news right now out there. So as long as we stay in this green box, and we need to kind of break past 48,000, and then our next resistance level is going to be 52. So we should be back in the 50s pretty soon. So I'm not too worried about it. We got the white line, which is a minor capitulation line. I'm not too worried about it in the house. Absolutely not too worried about it in the house, guys. So this is really positive news from Matthew Hayward. That is cool beans in the house. We still got the Dogecoin story to cover. We can see a 60% pump for the Dogecoin coming in soon. This is from the Fool, Bitcoin Fool, and as you guys know, we have 21 remaining. So we got 2 out of 21 remaining. So basically, there's only about most of the 21 million Bitcoin has been mined. So we've got 19 million been mined, only 2 million left, guys. And the final Bitcoin is going to be mined somewhere around about 2140, guys. 2140. So hopefully the OG is still kicking. The OG is still happy, still running around like a madman, out there. So I'm hoping that I'm still here and around. So this one, TA Analyst, and we're seeing that the extremely bullish pattern, 3 white soldiers, is just printed green, guys. This is on the 10-month time frame. So we got 3 10-month candles that have just gone green, green. So this is looking pretty good. So the odds of a rise are significantly high, guys. So that is bullish news in the house. So there's a lot of bullish indicators that are saying that Bitcoin is going to go to the moon. So this also from TA Analyst, and he says impulse Elliott wave fractal pattern and macro structure. And these are the targets. These are actually the price targets that he's looking at: 117,000 2023, 176 2024, 290 in 2025. That's when the next halving is. So that's going to be mad in the house. And by 2026, we should be seeing that one biddy should be worth about $718,000 in the house. Just wrap your brain around that. Can you imagine? So that is cool beans. So this coming in for Dogecoin, it looks like Dogecoin price signals a 60% bull rally ahead, guys. So Dogecoin price is currently bouncing off the 12.7 and 13.7. So right now, at the time of recording, we can see that the Bitcoin is at 14.32. So we're seeing that bounce is being validated. A spike in buying is likely will propel Dogecoin 60% to 21.15. A daily candle close below 12.7 will invalidate that bullish thesis. So it looks like the whole thesis is looking pretty good. So it looks like a Bitcoin price retraced 14% after 40% upswing that began on March 14th, guys and gals. While the pullback will allow Dogecoin buyers to recapitulate, it wasn't caused by Bitcoin's sudden downtrend. So we did see a bit of a Dogecoin drop because Bitcoin went down. Regardless, the retracement has caused Dogecoin retest at 12.7 and 13.7. But this is a huge demand zone, absolutely huge demand demand zone, which will provide bulls with an extra oomph to kickstart another leg off. So we can see that Dogecoin, there's been a lot of buying in this range, guys. So if you look at this area, you can see there's been a lot of buying in that zone, so that is pretty positive. So the resulting rally will propel Doge to 16.3 and 19.4 weekly resistance barrier. So this is pretty bullish news, guys. So if we can actually get there, that's going to show Doge as a 60% pump to the upside, guys. So you can see right here, this is the demand zone here between 13.63 and 13.39. So that is pretty cool beans in the house, and it looks like that we could see a pumpity pump as long as we get past those resistance levels. So I'm pretty bullish on Doge Warriors. You should be bullish too, guys. So this is looking pretty likely that we could see ourselves getting up there and getting a 60% pump in the not too distant future. So that is cool, exactly as I predicted. I told you that by the second week of April we could be seeing Doge Warriors pump into about 21 cents. So let's hope that is validated in the house. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 46,775 on the 4-hour chart. It's still within my white box zone. So the other thing to note on the weekly is that Bitcoin is above the 21-day EMA, and anytime that Bitcoin is above the 21 EMA, this indicates a very bullish signal, guys. So it indicates that we're still in the bull run, guys, because we're above the 21-day EMA. So that is cool beans in the house. So we're seeing right now that Ethereum is at 35.05. So that is pretty good, because we do have some resistance at 3,500 bucks in the house. So let's just put that line in there. But that resistance has become green, and then our next target is going to be around about 4,000 bucks in the house. So hopefully we can get there. That's going to be a green line because that is resistance. So I think we're going to get there pretty soon. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can break above 47,000, then we definitely will see ourselves going uppity up. So it looks like Ethereum is about to pop past this $3,500 resistance. It's slightly above there now, but we need to have a confirmation about 24 hours to validate that move to the upside. So that is pretty good. Let's take a look at Phantom in the house. Phantom right now is also looking pretty good. You can see that Phantom went all the way up to around about $1.68. It got rejected there, so this is a little bit of a resistance zone in the house right here. So hopefully we can get up there. Let me just draw a line at that resistance level for you so we can get that. So right here we have a nice resistance level right here, and we definitely need to see ourselves break past that. So that's going to be a red resistance line. So right now we're seeing that Phantom is at $1.63, and then we have some major support around about here. So we can see that we have a confluence of support around about this area here, which is around about $1.55 in the house. Let me just get that in for you. Let me get it. So around about there is where we have some good support there. So we'll have to see what happens with Phantom overall. I think that this will act as support. We're probably going to bounce up, and the Phantom's been doing pretty good recently. So there's probably a little bit of profit taking right now. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. We're seeing that Solana is doing fantastic. It has broken past our resistance here at $137 that we talked about in the previous video. That has now become a green, and it looks like we're on our way, ladies and gentlemen. Our next stop is going to be like $170. So it looks like Solana is taking off. So if you're enjoying this content like I'm enjoying you guys, don't forget to go down, boop the like, smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, comment, feed the YouTube algorithm, and super chats would be pretty appreciated if you're in the live stream, guys and gals. Also, ADA is looking pretty good right now. It's at $1.84. We've got some resistance, overhead resistance at $1.20. So that's going to become red. We were up there previously, but it looks like we have this sloping support line going up here, and I think pretty sure that we're going to follow, and we should see ourselves over $101.20 pretty soon. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now in the house. So the total market cap is looking pretty good. It's about 2.20 trillion, 85.73 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is at 43.1 in the house. Let's take a look at the coinage. The coinage in the house. So Bitcoin is pumping right now. It's up 2.81%. We're seeing that Ethereum is also doing pretty good in the house as well. It is up 4.57%. It's at 3,500 bucks. So we're above the $3,500 level. So that is a key support level. We need to maintain that for Ethereum. And Solana is up 10% today. It's $141. We're seeing that Luna Tuna is up also 8.5%, and that's $112, almost $113 an ounce. ADA is up 3.6%. It's not as going up as I would like it to go up. It's basically just slightly above Bitcoin's increase. But you can see that right now the altcoins generally are doing better than Ethereum. Ethereum in terms of their pumpage right now. So this kind of denotes that we could be entering a bit of an altcoin season right now. Seeing Avalanche is up 9.29%. That's $102. The dot is at 9.68, and the Doge Warriors is actually outperforming Bitcoin right now. Is up of 4.03%, and Shiba is up 5.79%. Matic is up as well, 3.47%. So things are looking pretty good overall. So we're seeing that a lot of the altcoins are pumping up right now. So that's going to bring this video to a close. We got 4,208 followers, guys. Go down there, follow, and remember, if you're a VIP member or super member, DM me on Twitter, and we'll send you that link. Don't forget to send me your YouTube handle and your email and stuff, and I'll check about that, and then I'll send that link to you. So guys and gals, I just want to say God bless you. Be humble. Thank you for watching, and you guys made it this far. Please comment. Why did you watch to the end? What do you like about this content? What do you like about the OG? And also comment, guys. What are some of the things you don't like, or where and how I can improve, guys? So I just want to say God bless you. Be humble, guys, and don't forget to check out the links, guys. Check out the links, guys. Get the links. You want the links. I want the links. Get it. And it's much love in the house. So get those links, guys. So right here. And also, don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch. You want the merch. Mug the mug. Get the mug, and gear up with the OG gear. I love it. You love it, guys. So it is absolutely a great time to be alive. And I just want to say it is wonderful. It is fantastic. It is humbling to be able to bring all this content to you. Hopefully you're loving this content. I just like to keep it real, guys. If it's bad, I'm going to tell you. And I just want to keep it real and give you the facts, give you the news, and all the updates that I can. So God bless each and every one of you out there. Be well, and happy Ramadan to everybody out there, and God bless everybody. See you in the next one tomorrow. It is a great day, and remember, tomorrow is Sunday in Vietnam. So rather than my 3 videos, I typically do 2 videos. So don't panic if you don't see 3 videos, guys. So just beware. Time to take the kids out and have some fun. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.